CX Automatic 2 Capping Heads Vacuum Capping Machine. This capping machine is using vacuum capping system. Designed for glass bottle or glass jar metal cap twist-off vacuum capping. The capping torque and vacuum degree can be set as needed to ensure that the vacuum degree reaches the absolute standard. Suitable for bottle caps of various shapes and sizes, with strong compatibility. The sealing contact material of the screw cap is food-grade silicone and fluorine rubber. World-famous electric accessories and pneumatic accessories. Perfect performance and efficient in vacuum capping. Factory direct, and we have more than 10 years packing machines manufacturing experience. Thank you for watching, and please feel free to contact us for machines further information. CX Pack, your most professional, trustworthy and ideal packing machines partner.